are talking Instant Pot recipes. The Indian Instant Pot project is underway in this kitchen, in this house, and I'm so excited about it. But I wanted to kind of explain to you why my recipes, I believe, are going to be a little bit different than the ones that are out there currently. What I like to do, and you've seen this if you've followed me over the last 10 years, when my first cookbook came out way back when in 2010, the Indian slow cooker, you'll find one thing I really like to do is get the maximum usage out of my appliance. So I really like to cook in larger volumes so that we can have enough for the family to eat, but we have a little bit left over to eat the next day, or maybe use it in a different way that's not even Indian, but to be able to have as lunches as well as meals the day after or 2 days after. So I like a little bit left over. The other thing that I'm really gonna focus and hone in on is making sure when I do give you different size recipes for different sizes is really testing them very well. They're going to be very well vetted. So you know on your end, you don't have to kind of guess, okay, this recipe says 1 cup of beans, but wait a minute, I want to make 2 cups of beans. How do I work with the other ingredients in the recipe? I'm going to do all that for you, taking the guesswork out for you. Another key thing is with my recipes, as you found in the Indian slow cooker, the recipes are full flavor. So I'm really giving you authentic flavor profiles from years of testing and tasting these recipes. I've had to tweak quite a few because what the slow cooker does in terms of flavor, the pressure cooker just cannot do in that short amount of time. So I've had to really play with these recipes. So just follow me on Instagram, Anupy Singla. You've got me on Facebook under Indian as Apple Pie. My website is Indian as Apple Pie, and that is where I'm going to be posting these Instant Pot and beyond recipes, and you can pull them down, you can test them in your home and in your kitchen, and then send me your feedback. It's valuable. We're going to do this together, folks.